video. Alright guys, today is the day. This is gonna be the first Z06 in the world with this Yonristic exhaust. The way that he's explaining it is gonna be a V8 SVJ. He sent me a little teaser. It looks absolutely insane. We're gonna pull up there right now, throw this exhaust on, get some flame clips. Stay tuned and we out. Damn! Drop a sub so that we can afford this, y'all. Please, I'm down bad. This is the last time you guys are gonna hear it sound like this. I'm telling you guys, the exhaust that we're putting on, this isn't that same cookie cutter F1 exhaust everybody has. This one is custom, one of one. This is literally the craziest looking exhaust I've seen in my life. Damn, this is my first time looking under this thing. This shit's hella restricted. Look how big these Johns are. This is one of those things like when you go to sleep at night and you can't sleep because it's like Christmas morning. It's like, that's me right now, okay.
What?
We're about to be doing the unboxing right now. We got a little pick. We're about to slice this John open.
Feeling hella broke. Take a second, I would pray to the Pope.
Hey guys, do I suck at unboxings?
Wanna get my mama in the hill. Learn to get it on my own, so you know this shit is real. I done got it on my own time. There was a story that I wrote about it.
Oh my goodness. This thing's about to be a monster. Bro, these things weigh nothing. Light curls. Holy shit, this is about to sound insane, bro. I literally can't even imagine seeing this like inside of a car, bro. Huge shout out to Yonristic, bro. Honestly, this is insane. I'm about to show my boy right now on FaceTime. Let's see. Damn. This is about to sound insane. We can, let's do it.
That looks crazy.
Dang, she's out, baby. Keep going. Damn, this versus this. This already sounds very good, too.
Jesus Christ.
A few moments later.
What's good, y'all? It's actually the next day right now and I have a little bit of explaining to do. So actually the fitment was off on the new exhaust. So the Bluetooth caps, those were fine. After that, when the exhaust was going down, it was hitting the frame a little bit. And on top of that too, we pushed the flex pipes in a little bit so it fit. And then we were like, okay, cool, we can just do this just to make content. And then we were putting the bumper on and it was too wide. So the mufflers were actually hitting the bumper. So I would have literally burnt the bumper off. So we ran into some issues, but it is the first one in the world. You know, this is just part of the process, guys. I mean, the next one's gonna be perfect. I appreciate them for making this happen. And yeah, we'll keep you guys posted. We're gonna have the new one in like a month or so. So right now, it's still gonna be a lot louder since we have the Bluetooth cats. And it's gonna be shooting flames today. So we'll get some sound clips of that. I already put a sound clip of like what it would sound like when we put the exhaust in. So we're about to go do some launches, drive this thing, and we'll see what it sounds like with the stock exhaust and then Bluetooth cats. So I'll see y'all in a second. about to be a problem. Nah, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this launch control is gonna sound insane. I can already tell. This is a monster. Really one little exhaust part. You haven't even really got on it. That's just a little cold start. Tap him for all your needs, bro. This dude is the GOAT right here.
I got you guys. Hit me up, bro. I got you too. I hope you're happy with it.
Yeah, that sounds crazy. Do you want to hear it from the outside too?
I've heard it before.
Oh, okay. Oh, he said my shit's basic.
If you know how I feel, why would you say that?
Bro, this shit's way fucking hotter. I can already hear it. Alright, we're about to go do a little hit right now. We're gonna let it warm up. Ooh, what else shit is. Oh my god. Holy shit, this is so crazy. Oh my god. Gang, oh my.
Yo.
This is pretty crazy. Hold up. Nigga, the shit's still warming up, man. Oh my god.
You already popped some flames out of them.
I know. What the
Damn. Imagine the full exhaust, bro.
Not a full exhaust, bro? Oh my goodness. So this is stock mufflers, y'all, so it's still pretty restrictive, and that's the biggest part of the exhaust. Yeah, guys, and this thing in quiet mode, it actually ain't too bad. Like, every once in a while, I'll have some random pops and stuff. Other than that, it's smooth. Alright, guys, let's see what this shit sounds like under a fucking overpass. This is our first time. Nah, that shit is stupid. Holy shit. But what did we create, gang? Oh, there's a light too. We can hit one more launch control this time. I'm having too much fun in this shit, gang. And then we can go back to quiet mode. No, it wasn't us. I don't know who did that shit. Alright, we're about to rev the Corvette right now. You ready? Oh my god! Holy shit! Alright, do it again, do it again. Oh my god!